Hello, companions of teacher. I am Robinson Amaya. I work in industry the oil and gas. I like my work and the experience of each day and the new in the well. I like rig manager to company man of performing systems. The person is very much experienced. I have solution for problem in the operations. Actually, I run tools of completion systems for production on well. I am training tools developer interventions where I am learning the system new and I hope to be an operator with a lot of experience in the industry of the oil and gas. Um, I like my work and the experience. Good. Goodbye. Very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Very. Bye.